Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, shall I add. We are in a lovely little place in London, Edgware in London. I actually have a show. I need to start preparing for it in just over an hour, around about an hour. So that gives me 1 hour to have a little look around the town and see what Edgware here in London has to offer. Let's check it out. So obviously we're in central London, well, not central London, on the outskirts of London. Well, it's busy for me anyway. I would classify this as being London. First thing you notice is obviously really well built up, and yeah, cars everywhere, super busy. But we are in the capital of England, and yeah, of course it's going to be super busy. So we're not far from the High Street now. I think the bus station is just literally round the corner, but the houses are absolutely lovely around here. And let's have a little look. We're coming into town. There's hopefully going to be some place where I can get some food to eat. So I think the guy was about to get a ticket and decided to do a bung. I'm going to cross here actually. So full transparency from myself, I had never ever visited Edgware before and know nothing about the place. However, when I took one of the show on, I knew it was for a school, Jewish school, and that's all I knew. But now, having come here, you can clearly see that there is certainly a large Jewish settlement of people here in Edgware, and looking for some of the businesses, the kosher food, the advertisements, things like that. It's clearly, you can clearly see that yeah, there is a massive settlement of Jewish people here in Edgware. I'm going to have a little look in the library. I need to use the toilet as well, so let's have a little look, see what you can't even get in without the thing. Okay, fair enough. So there you go, top security here. You need to a card to be able to get inside the library, unfortunately. Now, I'm obviously fully aware of what is going on, perhaps recently in the news, regarding Jewish people generally feeling unsafe. So I'm going to tread carefully when I'm walking around here, who I communicate and be obviously as respectful as I can, like I usually intend to be. But hopefully we'll be able to chat to some people who live here, find out a little bit more about the town, but who knows? We'll try. Now, I don't know if it's just myself, but the way I'm feeling currently, feel a bit tired, or whether it's just being in London in general, or the people in this area, who knows? But I don't feel like I really want to approach many people here. Usually people are up for a talk, but we've got the headphones in, they're keeping themselves to themselves, whether that's just London. Who knows? Is there a train station, bus station here, or is it? The train station's up there, is it?
Yeah, just up there. Yeah,
okay.
There's a bus station as you go in.
Yeah, do you live around here, do you, or is this your...
I could live around.
Oh yeah, well, I've just visited, literally, I've never been to Edgware before.
Yeah.
Is there a massive, like, sort of Jewish settlement here? Is that what it is?
There is a lot of Jewish.
There is, yeah, that's what the business is. I just visit all different towns with my work, and just
so what do you do?
I believe it or not, I'm actually a magician. So I'm doing a magic show in the school, and I took the booking on. They said to me, when you arrive, there's going to be armed security on the door and stuff. And I thought, well, that's quite interesting.
Jewish school,
yeah, just up the road. Yeah, and having come in, just walked into the town, I've obviously seen kosher this and all that. So I just thought, I'll have a little look around. Brighton, Seaford, which is down on the south coast, of course. Yeah, so you come into London anyway, is always.
Well, this is just on the outskirts of London.
Yeah, okay. Middlesex, is that what they call it? Right, okay. Right. Yeah, I mean, up to me, this is London. Like, so anything in this side of the M25 is.
A couple of streets in, and you're bang in London.
Right, okay. Yeah, anything worth seeing while I'm here walking around? No, okay, all right. Really? That's sad. Well, I'll have a look around and see any nice food, Jewish food.
That place just opened up on the corner there.
Okay. Liam's, this one here, or
No, funny enough, I've just come from. I've had a coffee in it. Very nice coffee, actually.
Yeah. Oh, I was gonna.
That's
Yeah.
Albania.
Okay. Yeah.
If you go further up,
Yeah.
they've just opened a place. There's a Tesco's on the side.
Okay. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
It's a red building.
Okay.
I think they're doing hamburgers, a Jewish one.
Okay.
Right?
Hang it.
I don't know if it's any good.
Yeah. No. Fair enough. Well, I'm gonna carry up there and I'll go back down. Nice to meet you, mate. What was your name? Lawrence. I'm David. Nice to meet you, Lawrence. So I've just arrived at Edgware Tube Station, and proper old school station here in London. Let's have a little look inside, see what the building looks like. And I'm guessing, wow, look at these old doors. Jesus Christ. So here we are, Edgware Tube Station. Get the train to, I imagine, to central London from here. But yeah, proper old school tube station inside, all the old wooden doors. But that's it. So walking back down Edgware Road, and it's going to sun out your eyes. Yeah, small independent businesses, food from around the world, and yeah, let's go and try and get some bit of grub, perhaps some local food from some of the local communities, and see what it has to offer. So the chap Lawrence that I spoke to, going on his recommendation, to be fair, he's never been there, but he said it's just opened, and it's one of the new businesses that sells Jewish food, I suppose, and we can perhaps go and check it out. But yeah, recommendation from Lawrence that we just met on the street, this venue here. Let's check out some of the Jewish food that they have to offer. Oh, wrong way. Nice. Yeah, so you just opened, have you? Or
opened a couple of weeks ago.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so I'm actually working in the area, and every time I visit, I work all over the south of England or all over the UK. I do magic shows, but I always go like an hour early and just go and have a little look around the town, because usually I'll just go in and then I just end up driving away again. But I just thought, while I'm in here, I've never been to Edgware before, but turns out there's like quite a big Jewish settlement community here.
Yeah,
Or
it's a Jewish community, it's a big Muslim community as well.
yeah.
It's growing in the last, when I was in school, like, I have cousins that lived here
Yeah.
all their life.
Okay. Yeah.
But it's grown a lot because prices are a bit cheaper out here. And
The London, yeah, of course, yeah.
it's just grown a lot. So
Yeah.
this side is...
Yeah, perfect. I'm from near Brighton, so I'm doing a magic show in the school up the road. Yeah, so is that the local school, is it? Yeah. Primary, yeah.
There's many of them.
Okay, yeah.
These guys are from a school in Burnt Oak.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice. I kind of wanted to have some sort of like local Jewish food, but I was kind of like, this is like burgers and stuff,
Yeah,
isn't it? So, okay, yeah, fair enough.
If you want something more like Middle Eastern style,
Well, yeah, like ideally maybe like sort of some, I don't know, like perhaps like bagels or something like that. Is that like kind of
there's
a...
loads of bakeries around there.
Okay, and they'll be able to get one there and eat it maybe, yeah.
Grudzinski's is there.
Okay,
Yeah,
wicked.
on the
Lovely.
right-hand side.
What's your name? Andrew, nice to meet you, Andrew. I'm David. Yeah, what's that? I haven't actually. Sorry, my love. Yeah, but it's called, this Tricky Travel will be when it's up and running. But yeah, because I'm a magician and stuff. So yeah, but nice to meet you, Andrew. And it looks really cool. Flooring looks amazing. Yeah, well done. Take care, man. So I don't know if you heard that, but Andrew, what a nice bloke. He was just telling me, like, you know, super proud of living here and whatnot. He said that that essentially it's just like Mackie D's in there, the food, albeit it is a Jewish company. He said to give a place around here a try, and so I'm going to go in there because I kind of want to have something local, perhaps from the area, from one of the local businesses, and yeah, we'll give it a try. He said around this corner here, I think. Here we go. Yeah, right. I'm gonna. Have you had one of the bagels here before? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, what's a good one for?
Smoked salmon and cream cheese.
Smoked salmon
in
and
my opinion.
Okay.
In my friend's opinion, egg mayonnaise with whatever you want with it.
Okay, yeah. Would that be like a sort of a What would be a typical Jewish sort of, like maybe...
Smoked salmon and cream cheese.
Is that really? Okay.
But if you're going to buy a filled bagel, you need to choose which bagels you want.
Okay, and then take it up to them, or right? Okay, right. What's a good one? What? Take the bagel from there and then?
Yeah, the best bagels to me are the ones in the top row in the middle.
Okay, these ones here, yeah, just like you did. Lovely, thank you. What, smoked salmon and cream cheese, you reckon? I'll do that then, thank you.
Assuming you like fish.
Yeah, no, that sounds lovely. Okay.
Because unfortunately my parents passed away, so
Oh, shit, right.
come down
Okay.
on our days off and try and sort the house.
It's complicated, isn't it?
But
Yeah.
it's good because I've got like a group of friends that come and help.
Okay. And is it quite a big Jewish settlement here of people? Yeah. I'm picking that up because the place I'm working is a Jewish school as well. And
Because I was adopted, but I am Jewish.
okay.
Because I was adopted, I converted.
I see.
My parents were Jewish.
Yeah. Okay.
So I don't look like your typical Jewish.
I wouldn't even know what yeah.
You see some Jewish people that will wear the long skirts.
Right,
and stuff
yeah.
Because they're covering their ankles and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And then you'll see people like me that just dress how they want.
Yeah. Okay.
I
Yeah.
adhere to certain,
Right. Okay.
you know, kosher food.
Yeah, I see. And then with coating salmon and cream cheese, right, perfect. Salmon and cream cheese, please. Can I have it in a takeaway and a latte as well, please? Thank you.
Tell me how do you want, I know how to pack it.
Again?
You gonna stay in or take out?
I'm going to sit outside for 5 minutes, but I've got to go to work, you see. So if I could have a coffee in a takeaway cup, please.
You need cucumber or anything?
Yes, please. Yes, some salad. That'd be perfect.
Which coffee you said?
Flat white, please. Well, I didn't think I'd be having this today. A bagel and coffee. I thought, why not?
They're so nice.
Yeah.
And they use really nice salmon because you can get salmon that's a bit
Dodgy. Yeah, right.
So it's nice to meet
Yeah, and you, my love, and hope everything goes well with... Thank you, mate. Cheers, buddy. Lovely, lovely. Thank you. Cheers, buddy. So I'm just outside Groves here in Edgware, and got recommended to come to this place because they do some good Jewish food, Jewish bakery. So I got myself a bagel, salmon and cream cheese bagel, and I'm going to enjoy this now along with a latte, and I'll let you know what it tastes like. But yeah, this place is called Groves, and this is just off Edgware Road, I believe. But yeah, right in the heart of Edgware here in London. Coffee's good. Let's check the bagel out. Cream cheese, salmon bagel. It's actually pretty good. To be fair, I would never order anything like this, but as I thought, while I'm here, let's take in what recommended to me. This is what it was. It's pretty decent, to be fair. Salmon's really nice. Cucumber in there. Might take that out. But yeah, salmon, cream cheese bagel. Wouldn't be the first thing that I'd order, but I believe it's supposed to be kosher food, and tastes pretty good. I'd have it again. So yeah, this is Groves, and that was a salmon cream cheese bagel, fresh bagel here that I picked, gave up to the people in the behind the counter, and they knocked it up for me. And yeah, and it came to like, with a coffee, it was like 11 quid. And I think that's the eat-in price as well, because eating outside but inside, anyway, it doesn't matter. Here I am, Groves, and I recommend the bagels. So there we have it, my time here in Edgware has come to an end. I was only here for a short time. I've got to go and set up to do my show. But I'm sure there's more to it than Edgware, but I really enjoyed my short time here. Met some local people, really friendly, really proud of their area, and tried some of the local food, and it was delicious. So yeah, that's me here, Edgware in Greater London, not actual London. I'm heading back to my van, set up for my show. Thank you. See you in another town.